So today, I'm doing makeup to make myself look like the Joker. And I'm doing it on live stream. So I'm gonna start covering up my tattoos and then use setting powder. Oh, this is in the air. Start with this. Had it from like 2 Halloweens ago, I think. Oh, it's dripping. Oh, the best bet is probably to do like multiple layers of this stuff. This is the setting powder. Brush it off now. Oh yeah, this feels awesome. Smooth. I think I'm gonna do another layer. Oh, it's starting to come off. This side looks fine. Why won't the tattoos go away? No, I'm just gonna put it on thick and not even. Now I'll just see what shade it turns into as soon as it dries. Oh, right in my eye. Oh no, it's cracking. Oh no. Too thick, I think. My face is like, this stuff is awesome. It looks really bad. What am I, Phantom of the Opera? My face looks like cottage cheese. I don't know how I messed up face paint. There's children doing this, but I can't. I got a text just now saying my mouth is huge. That's real. We're just gonna ignore the white and pretend that it's okay. Are his contacts yellow? Oh, I thought they were gray. I can't believe, I have the wrong color. You look like a battle damaged Joker. That's pretty cool. You could be Joker after a fight with Batman. Thanks, chat. I'll get the yellow contacts. There we go. There's one. Man, I need to paint my nails. Yeah, there's 2. I just spilled it. Oh, my keyboard still works. This is the second one I bought because the other one, I don't remember. What did I do to the forehead? I gotta fix that. Yep. Making it worse. That's why you put in your contacts first, because then you mess up the makeup. This could just be a good podcast. The Bad Makeup Podcast. I just squirted half the tube onto myself. This is what I'm not going to take the camera off and show you because I won't be able to put it back in the right spot. It'll be crooked. 10 minutes of me just like trying to get the camera straight. I'm not doing that. Am I okay? I'm fine. Why did I? Oh, we're not taking it. Sometimes I feel like trying to replicate things from the internet leads to my villain origin story. So if I wouldn't have a villain name, because I'd be one of the villains that dies right away and nobody ever knows about. I look like a lifeguard. My voice is calming. So is that like your way of saying it would be a good podcast? Here's our eyeshadow. As you could tell, I have black mixed in with all the colors accidentally. It just happens. Ah, I just made a crease. Wait, so I don't have a podcast. That's correct. The trick with eyeliner is to put a little bit right on your eyeball. See? Right on your eyeball, because then it stays long. Just right there. Perfect. I just messed everything up. This is like having an old filter on. When you do makeup to make yourself look better and instead you look worse. Hi, Heath Ledger or Jared Leto? Well, right now we're looking like Heath Ledger, but we're going for the Jared Leto. Now that I've messed up everything we've worked so hard for over the last 2 hours. The beauty blender of death. See if you can just fix it. No, it's making it way worse. Never mind. This looks horrible. The key though is I have to not move. This is the last time we're fixing the white makeup, all right, guys? Promise. And I don't make promises, so if I promise it, then you know I'm not in my proper state of mind. It's not even funny. It's pathetic. Oh, I forgot I have it on my pants. I just got on my... We're screwed. Gotta fix the lifeguard nose. Last resort. I could just be a zombie. That's true. What have I done? Zombie joke. No. Yeah. I have a great idea. Oh, I have such a great idea. Oh my gosh. This is gonna... Why didn't we do this earlier? 1 second. Let me finish making this worse and then I'll show you. It's got it on the microphone. All right, check this out. See this fan? Put it on high. It's gonna dry so much faster. Why did we not think of this earlier? Got more of my hair. That's like the least of my concerns right now. I have to hold very still. This is about to make my face crusty. I feel it already. It's making my skin tingle. I kind of like it. I love it and hate it at the same time. Oh, it's cracked already. No. It's because I keep laughing. I gotta it doesn't really have eyebrows. That makes it easy. I'm actually running low with the black. This is the part where it all comes together. It's about to look awesome. That's what the Joker does. He laughs uncontrollably sometimes. Awesome. So much better already. We need red around the mouth. Probably start with this crappy red. Let's start with that. Let's see how bad it is. Very bad. Screw this. Actually, it's not so bad once you blend it in. Oh no, I'm about to spill it. Oh crap. Wait, that will be the last liquid. Nope, actually. All right, that will be the last liquid that touches my lips. Finally starting to come together, huh? Yep, it's in my mouth. It's on my teeth. Ah, yuck, gross. This tastes disgusting. Ugh. It tastes like poison. Holy crap. How do I know what poison tastes like? Yeah, the fake blood I'm not a huge fan of, actually. Where's that crappy Halloween cake paint? This stuff, I think this stuff was actually a better... Ah! Block it out. Uh-oh. Yeah, that was way too much. I guess I should start on the lips and work my way out, huh? Yeah, it's just pulling the white off now. Actually, it's starting to come together, even though it's... Is my face that crooked? Or is the camera crooked? Hang on. Is the camera crooked or is my face crooked? Let me straighten out. It says the camera's straight. It's my face. I've always known. His lips, they're really dark red in the middle, and then it gets lighter as it goes out. So we need to put some black lips. Yeah, it doesn't look like that at all. In my head, I know what we're doing, but I don't know how to explain it. The white cover up where we kind of overdid it a little. This is where the art comes in. My white isn't white anymore. I mixed it too much. I think I ruined my entire palette. Like, they're all just gray now. This was the white. Yes, I'm putting eyeshadow on my chin. We're gonna put on a little bit more of this. Just a tiny bit. Not using that stupid blender. I'm a perfectionist. Oh, that gnat. And my tattoos are actually not visible anymore, so we did good on that. All right. Oh, the bug is back. I hate that bug. So I think the setting powder is done. My face is feeling tingly. Brush it off. Yeah, seriously? My hair look like it's blowing in the breeze. You hate bugs? Yeah. So I feel like we should get the lighting right. That's what I'm doing, the thumbnail eyeliner. Put it in with the red. I'm trying to hurry. I just messed up. I'm trying to rush. Now the anxiety. Shut up, Jasper. I'm trying to do something important. There's too much going on. Dang. It's landing in my eye again. Stupid bug. Jasper, stop. I just want to kill this gnat. Honestly, that's all I want to do right now. Got him. See? I'm not crazy. I told you. There's another one. Wait, there's two? This is getting ridiculous. I lost him. I don't know where he went. He was on my forehead just now? I could see it on the camera. Was he on my forehead just now or was he on the screen? No, for real though, guys. Did you see him? Okay. He was not on my forehead just... Okay. I feel like I'm going crazy. Can you see Jasper? No. You never see my dog. You can hear him? Pull it together. Can we see Jasper, please? I need to take my meds. I don't know if I can handle this. Play Minecraft. No, look, I'm doing makeup. I'm glad somebody else saw the bug. Nobody should be doing makeup for 4 hours. You see this, right? I'm so hungry. You got him. Now take your medication. Ha! All right, you want to see Jasper? Here he is. Here's the mutt. No, don't lick me. Say bye, Jasper. Final round, scars. Let me undo my hair before I do scars. It's either like slick back or like in his face. Did you take your medication? Yes, I did. Jasper, stop, dude. He's so annoying. Eyeliner looks great for this stuff. The only thing is, it's gotta be perfect, because if it smudges, it looks like crap. Line here. Over the mouth. Guys, it's finally coming together. We need a little bit of black. His looks a little more blended out than what mine is. I'm gonna overdo it though. At one point he had like a strand over his face. Not like this. I feel like we might be close. Oh, it's this way. No, it's this way. The white face paint in my hair. I think I could cover it up. Some black eyeshadow would be fine. It's been a 5-hour live stream. And this is the look.